Alrighty, I am at the church and finally recording for once. I know that's crazy. I'm recording for once. But right now I am working on a DVD cover for this Easter DVD that we had from April. And as you can see, I am trying to work on it right now. Trying to get some ideas on how to work on it. And basically that's what I do. Sometimes I work on the website when I can. I'm the only one in the office, so that's why I'm able to vlog. Lately I haven't been, which is getting kind of annoying, but yeah. Right now I'm going to get some of this stuff done, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I got some new CD covers made from a preaching we had, and our Easter service covers. These are for people whose did not work. We are having some return because the DVD did not work properly, but we got some new ones here, and basically that's about it right now. But now I'm gonna work on the church website. Well, I'm still at the church and I'm working on the website right now. Right now I'm working on the staff page. We're going to change the staff page up a little bit, and I'm going to be taking notes of who has to have the picture taken, if we need an updated picture or something like that. We got a store now on our page. See, that's what we're giving this out for free. So now we have a store. But yeah, we're doing a lot of stuff. I'm doing a lot of stuff today, and the website's going to look marvelous by the end of today. Probably be here for the rest of the week too, working on it. So yeah. It's 4:29.
Okay, so currently we are at church right now, and I am in the nursery. And there's Gabby running on by. So yeah, we're here for a little bit, and then we'll go home. And I think Bobby and I are planning on doing. Yep. I think Bobby and I are planning on doing the a Loves review on the diapers. Okay. Alright. All done. All done. So, okay, so we're going to do a Loves review. Okay. Stop. So we're going to do a Loves review on the diapers that we've always used for Gabby. So, yep, that's it.
Alright, we just got back home from church, and I think Caitlin's in here trying to put Gabby to sleep. You can't see nothing because it's in dark. Oh, there she is.
Sleep.
She's trying to put Gabby to sleep. We just got back from church. It was good. It was a really good service. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy every service that we have. It's really good. I'm making a treat for you, Caitlin.
What?
Chicken strips.
Oh!
My crackers.
She dropped my Ooh! She dropped my crackers.
These crackers are really good. Rosemary and olive oil. Really good crackers. They're like these crackers you can get at Walmart, the Tuscans, whatever you call them. Triscuits. That's what they are like. It's like they're like the Triscuits at Walmart. They're pretty good. And I'll show you what they look like. See, let me turn this light on. See, they're just like the Triscuits you can get at Walmart.
Drink.
Really good. Say goodnight, Gabby. Alright, they're gonna get Gabby to bed because she is tired, she's grouchy. So they're gonna put her to bed.